Ever wanted to translate your videos into dozens of different languages while keeping your exact same voice and perfect lip sync? Well, in this video, we are looking at BlipCut, an AI-powered video translator and dubbing platform designed to help you take your content global in just a few clicks. BlipCut is an all-in-one AI media creation suite built for creators, marketers, and educators who want to localize their content at scale. Instead of hiring expensive translators and voice actors, BlipCut uses advanced AI to handle everything from video translation and voice cloning to automatic subtitling. You can easily translate your videos into over 140 different languages, making it incredibly simple to reach a massive global audience without starting from scratch. Let's break down its best features. First up is the AI video translator. It doesn't just translate the text, it actually offers voice cloning in 29 languages and lip syncing, so the translated video looks and sounds highly natural. Next is the AI voice generator, which gives you access to a massive library of over 1,300 realistic voices across more than 40 languages. If you have written scripts, their text-to-speech tool swiftly converts long-form text into natural-sounding speech. Plus, there's an AI subtitle generator to automatically create, translate, and edit captions in one place, and even an AI clip maker to turn your long-form videos into short, shareable clips with auto-generated titles. Now, when it comes to user feedback and reviews, we want to be completely transparent. Our current research sources don't have a configured database of public user reviews for BlipCut yet. Because hands-on user reviews are limited in our data, we highly recommend taking advantage of their Start for Free option. This lets you test the voice cloning accuracy, translation quality, and lip sync precision on your own footage before committing to a paid plan. On the plus side, having video translation, voice cloning, subtitling, and clip creation all inside one dashboard is a massive time saver. Overall, if you want to scale your content, online courses, or marketing videos globally, BlipCut offers a powerful and highly versatile suite of tools to get the job done quickly. Head over to blipcut.com to sign up and try it out for free today. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and let us know in the comments how BlipCut worked for your videos.